Continuing our series on serums, today we are talking about vitamin C, an absolute favorite for influencers. So vitamin C is a strong antioxidant, strong anti-aging serum. It is also a strong anti-pigmentation serum. So yes, you need to start it into your skincare routine. Who should not use vitamin C serum? If you are having very sensitive skin, if you have very dry skin, if you have very acne prone skin, you should probably talk to your doctor before starting vitamin C serum because it can irritate your skin and cause a little bit of increased dryness and stinging sensation. Vitamin C needs to get into your routine. So how to choose the product? It is available as serum as well as anhydrous gel. Use up to 20%. More than 20% is really not giving you any additional benefit. Most important thing, vitamin C undergoes oxidation very quickly. So if your bottle is open, try to finish it within the next 30 days. Otherwise, the product changes color and the product becomes quite ineffective. Whenever you use vitamin C serum, either in the morning or in the evening, let it be the first product which goes on the skin. Then you can add your hyaluronic acid or your niacinamide and then seal it in with the moisturizer. Then when you're using it in the morning, absolutely be sure to use a sunscreen on top of it.